In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Outlook. This feature helps you take back a message under certain conditions, especially when the recipient uses the same organization's Microsoft Exchange or Microsoft 365 system and hasn't read the email yet. Open your Sent Items folder and double-click the message you want to recall. Recall options only appear when the email is open in its own window, not in the reading pane. On the ribbon, depending on your Outlook version, go to Actions and select Recall this message, or locate it under Move or the three dots menu. When you click Recall this message, a dialog box appears with two choices. The first, Delete unread copies of this message, removes the email from recipients' inboxes if unread. The second, Delete unread copies and replace with a new message, lets you pull back the original and open a fresh draft to edit and resend. If you choose Replace, Outlook opens the message so you can correct errors and send it again. You can also select Tell me if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient to receive a status report, which helps you track outcomes as success can vary by recipient. After making your selections, click OK to complete the recall. Remember, recall success depends on factors like whether the message has been read in the recipient's email system. Even if recalls aren't guaranteed, using the Replace option with corrections and enabling status notifications maximizes your chances of minimizing mistakes. This process allows you to manage errors quickly and professionally, ensuring you can correct messages promptly. While not all recalls succeed, understanding the conditions and following these steps provides the best opportunity to retract or revise emails efficiently. By practicing this, you can confidently handle urgent mistakes and maintain professional communication. That's it, recalling emails in Outlook made simple, giving you control and peace of mind over sent messages.